Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster.
Hey guys, it's me Maddie and welcome back to this week's video. As you guys can tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video, it is an Ipsy unboxing, and I know I have not posted one in quite a while, so this is the first one for 2018. I'm so excited to be able to do this. I love doing these. So anyways, without further ado, let's get started. So here I have my pink little envelope that it comes in. I'm just going to open it up. Okay, so you guys can see this has mesh here, and then there's the neon like stripe down the middle, and then for the zipper they did like a shoelace string. It's actually pretty neat. I don't know what kind of themes they were going with, but like I'm kind of digging it. But yeah, so let's go right into the bag. So here is the little Ipsy card that you get. And it says, I will conquer. It has 5 personalized picks that were designed to keep your game phased and ready for anything all month long. So, I'm excited. Let's see what this has. So, first here I have a Luna by Luna eyeshadow. You guys do not know how much I love this brand so much. I love the Luna by Luna eyeshadows. I have one already that I got in Ipsy, so let's see. This is really pretty, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is in the color Juliet. It's so pretty. I'm gonna kind of like swatch it for you guys. It's like really shimmery. I'll show you. Guys, okay, it's like really light, so it's not gonna show up on camera, but it's so pretty. Like you can, I don't know if you guys can see it on my hand a little bit, my finger right there. But it's so pretty. I love this. I'm actually so excited to use this. I love their products. Okay, so next thing in the bag I'm gonna grab out is a Marylou. So this is from the Balm Cosmetics. I was like reading the front. That's what it looks like. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so pretty. I'm pretty sure it's like a highlighter, like illuminator, because it says luminizing. So you can like highlight, shimmer, eyeshadow. Yeah. So really pretty. That's the color. It's just like very like light and like white neutral. And I just swatched it on my hand. I don't think you guys can see it though, but you guys saw it on my finger. But you guys saw it on my finger, so I think it looks really good. Okay, so next in the bag, let's. This is a charcoal wash-off mask. It is a 15-minute facial therapy, deep cleansing mud-based formula, and unclogs pores and lifts away impurities, and it's for all skin types. This is by Global Beauty Care. The packaging I actually kind of like. It's very different, but it's kind of like, you know, you can use it, a little bit of it, and kind of like close the cap back on it type thing, which I find to be really good and really helpful. So that's something that I haven't really seen before. So I'm just excited to use this. Yeah. And I've been loving skincare products a lot lately, so this will definitely come in handy. Yeah. This is what the face mask looks like in depth. Okay, so next thing in this bag is nail polish by Pretty Woman. This is so bright and like vibrant. Guys, it's so pretty. So, it comes in, does it have like a color? Does it say, does it have like a specific color? Oh wait, it's on the box. Johnny's Angel. I'm pretty sure that's the color of it. I'm excited to use this. I don't really paint my nails a whole lot, but I do when like my friends and stuff are over, or like me and my mom do something, or like I go to like a nail salon and like I can take my own nail polishes in. So I'm excited to maybe try this out. We will see. Okay, so next and last thing in this bag, and I feel like I'm pulling like a magic, like it's one of those magic bags, you know what I'm talking about? So I feel like that's it right now. But anyway, so next thing in here, what's this? Okay. So Susan Cosmetics Raisin Flesh is the color, I'm pretty sure of it. Oh, it's long wear liquid lipstick. This is really pretty. It's like a deep kind of like berry. So I'm going to take this off and show you guys. So I'm going to unscrew the cap right here. And then let me just swatch it. I'm trying to find a spot on my hand where I can like swatch it. Okay. Yeah, this is like, wait. It has like, okay, when I just like smelled it because I was like, wait, it smells like something. There is a berry, very like, it smells like berry. Which I actually kind of like. It smells like berry, which I actually kind of like a lot. It smells like raisin, which is what the name of it is. Raisin Flesh. It smells like that. It smells like berries and it smells like raisin. I do not know where I got that from. Okay. But this is the color of it. You guys can tell it's like a very deep berry color. So yeah. Oh, and sorry, my hand's like this color right here. That's like my foundation because that's why I put my foundation this morning. So anyways, don't mind that. But yeah. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this month's glam bag video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. And leave a comment if you guys like any of these products and if you guys would use any of these products yourself. I kind of want to know. Also, leave a comment below what you want in the next few videos. I have a few ideas, but I want to get some of your guys' input to kind of get videos that you guys would like. So yeah, and then I have some huge announcements that will be coming in my next video. I mean, they're not like that big, but I mean, they're big, kind of. So, anyways, yeah, but I will talk to you guys in the next video, and bye!